Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on Jump Force PC. First, ensure your DualShock 4 controller is fully charged and powered on. You can connect it to your computer using a USB cable for a wired connection, or via Bluetooth if your PC has a compatible adapter. A stable connection is crucial before moving forward. This initial step ensures your hardware is ready to interface with your system. Next, you will need to download and install DS4 Windows, an essential application that allows your computer to recognize the PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller. Search for the official DS4 Windows website to ensure you download the legitimate software. Once downloaded, extract the files and run the installer. This crucial step bridges the compatibility gap between your controller and most PC games, including Jump Force. After installation, launch DS4 Windows. Your connected PS4 controller should appear in the Controllers tab. Select a default profile or create a custom one if you prefer specific button layouts. Ensure the Start button is clicked to activate the controller's emulation. This configuration step makes your PS4 controller fully functional and ready to send inputs that Jump Force will understand as standard gamepad commands. With DS4 Windows running and your controller active, launch Jump Force from your game library. Navigate to the game's Options or Settings menu, typically found on the main screen. Look for Controller or Input Settings and confirm that a gamepad is detected. You might need to adjust button mappings to your liking or simply test the default setup. A quick match will confirm everything is working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.